Good afternoon and welcome back to the Mango Man Homestead Orchard. And this afternoon I want to show you something that is always a problem. It's always an ongoing thing you have to do in the orchard, and that is replace trees that no matter what you do, you can't seem to get them to come out of their, to get them to grow, to get them to establish. So this is a Lil Gem tree. It's been here 2 years. It's on, I really don't know what rootstock it's on. That's one of the problems. It was one that when we had a leftover tree, we grafted it. So again, not the best situation. Sometimes you do though what you have to do when you have material and you need trees. So this thing's been languishing. I've been putting soil around it, trying to get it to grow, tamping in around it, doing everything I can. So it either has something wrong with the scion, something wrong with the rootstocks, something wrong with the roots, growing over a hole, maybe all the above, who knows. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to pull this thing out here, and now we can take a look at this tree. So first of all, you notice that it has a lot of lumps and it's trying to sprout here from the trunk. It's been dying back for years. So this is obviously not good. The root system doesn't look good. It doesn't look horrible. I mean, there's not very many roots on it, obviously. So I don't know for sure, but I would say it probably has a bad root system. So now I'm going to try to do this from a... I'm going to have to stand up in order to do this. All right, so pulled out that Lil Gem. Now we have a Oryba to put back into the hole. All right, we're going to put it back in here. So show you here, that's the hole I just dug. Dug it with a pick, and then I'm just going to pull out the soil a little bit more like this. All right. Like that. Now we're going to take our Oryba, which is right here. It was grafted this year. It's actually on a turpentine rootstock that's been grafted multiple times, but it finally took, so now we're going to plant it. Now I'm going to take the tag and I'm going to put it right here. And I shake that thing out like that. I put the Oryba in the hole. I'm gonna put the soil back like this. Okay. Then I'm gonna tamp it in. You can tamp it in with your feet, you can tamp it in with your tools, it doesn't matter. You just want to get good soil contact. You want to make sure that it's seated in there very well. I will now water this in as well. I won't do it right this second, but I will water this in and we'll replace it. So again, this tree's been here, it's been languishing. The Lil Gem tree, which was right here, it's been languishing for over 2 years. I can't wait anymore. We have to get moving. We have to get trees going up and fruiting, because again, here in our orchard, efficiency is really what it comes out down to. So I pull this one out, put this Oryba in here. I'm doing it right now in September so that I can take advantage of the rains, and so that hopefully it'll get established before the rains stop, although, you know, rains are probably going to go for about another month and a half. So, so there you go, and good growing. Bye-bye.